DMUN Foundation, please.
Thank you, Chair. My name is Irene Nyangasi from the DMUN Foundation. We welcome the inclusion of Article 8 on harmful tax practices in the Convention. This is critical given the significant impact of harmful tax practices. Impact of harmful tax practices on the lives of children and youth. Specifically, harmful tax practices reduce public revenue and undermine the financing of essential services such as education, healthcare, social protection, and infrastructure, services that young people depend on most. Secondly, harmful tax practices worsen intergenerational inequality. When wealthy individuals and multinational enterprises avoid taxes, they shift the burden to future generations, leaving young people to face debt, underfunded public systems, and fewer opportunities. Thirdly, preferential tax regimes distort markets and disadvantage small domestic enterprises, where most young entrepreneurs and innovators operate. And lastly, harmful tax practices threaten the social contract between government and citizens as they erode trust in the fairness of governance and fiscal institutions, deepening the sense that global system is rigged in favor of the powerful. To meet our collective mandate, we propose the following actionable recommendations to strengthen Article 8. Defining harmful tax practices. The Convention must incorporate a clear and comprehensive definition of harmful tax practices. A precise and objective definition is essential as it forms the foundation for all subsequent action. We recommend that definition be based on established criteria, which should include no or low effective tax rates that allow actors to avoid meaningful contribution to public finances, ring fencing that separates certain activities or entities from domestic tax obligations, lack of transparency in tax rules, agreements, or incentives, insufficient exchange of information, which prevents accountability and enables cross-border tax abuse. This definition must be beyond technical tax language and be inclusive of development considerations, recognizing that harmful tax practices disproportionately affect vulnerable populations, including children and youth who rely most on public services and fair economic systems. It is important to note that historically, oversight of harmful tax practices has largely fallen under the OECD, a framework that has often been non-inclusive and inefficiently attentive to the development priorities of key populations. This convention presents an opportunity to establish a truly inclusive framework, one that centers the needs of youth in all their diversities and ensures that fiscal justice benefits current and future generations. We have a historic opportunity to create a level playing field. Let us ensure that this convention is equipped with binding commitment and actionable mechanisms to finally dismantle harmful tax practices. Thank you.
Thank you,